Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Still earning low commissions from Amazon or random programs? Let's fix that by exploring the best affiliate networks that offer higher payouts and better earning potential in 2025. Best affiliate networks for higher commissions. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. To earn more per referral, you need to partner with networks that offer great payouts, strong products, and solid tracking systems. Here's what to look for. High commission rates. Look for networks offering 20%, 50%, or even recurring commissions. Niche relevance. Choose networks that fit your content, whether it's tech, lifestyle, finance, or SaaS. Reliable payouts. Make sure they pay on time and provide clear reporting. Quality products. Promote tools or products that solve real problems for your audience. Top affiliate networks to explore in 2025. Impact.com, trusted by major brands, great for lifestyle and software offers. ShareASale, wide variety of products and merchants, beginner-friendly partner stack, perfect for SaaS and B2B software with recurring commissions. ClickBank, ideal for info products, health, and digital offers. Awin, global brands with high-volume products. Why this works? These networks give you access to better paying offers, meaning you don't need thousands of clicks to earn a decent income. With the right match between your niche and the program, you'll see more revenue from fewer visitors. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.